friends, I'm Robin Fike, Stamping Country. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Hugs, Prayers, and Love card. It's made with the Positive Thoughts stamp set. And now with new coordination products by Stampin' Up, we have the Nature's Thoughts dies, which includes all these lovely dies. And I'm going to show you how to use those to make this project. There's one other product that we are using, and that is the Golden Honey. You can see it's got all the gold and black, and it's very pretty. And then on the back side, we have all these black and white images. So we have some more great images that we can use. For today's card, I'm going to use a piece. It's just a real simple black and white image because we're going to make a monochromatic card. The Positive Thoughts stamp set is in the new mini catalog. It can be found on page 23, and it's the Positive Thoughts. That's the stamp set we're going to use. I'm going to coordinate it with the Free Celebration, which is found on page 10. And it's this honeybee paper. Now, the Positive Thoughts dies, you won't find in any catalog. They are a limited edition exclusive dies that coordinate that will only be available from February 3rd through March 31st, or while supplies last. When I get a new stamp set, sometimes I just like to see what the images look like when they're stamped, and that's exactly what I did with today's card. I just simply took a piece of Whisper White cardstock, and then I started inking up some of the images that I wanted. So I wanted the flower, the feather, the Hugs and Prayers, love, and this little leafy thing. So I'm going to ink those up with Tuxedo Black ink. I'm using my Stamparatus because if I miss a spot, I can easily go back and fix it. So we'll go ahead and ink those up. Okay, a couple of them I see a little bit of light. That's the beauty of using the Stamparatus. I can go back and ink those stamps again. Beautiful. So I have nice crisp images, and then I'm going to use a few of these dies. You'll see that they fit right on here. So I'll use that die, and then this little flower die. Whoa, let's pull that back. I think we need to put that guy down there. And the flower, and then also the feather. I've chosen to use one additional die, and that is a stitched shapes die, and I'm going to cut out my Hugs, Prayers, and Love with that. Then I'm going to go back to my dies. We'll put these back. And I'll choose some more dies that I am just going to cut some little. So I'm going to use the butterfly die. I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this. And this little one and a couple of these to make more. So I have all these pieces cut, and then I'm ready to assemble. These I've done with Whisper White. This one is in black. Can you see the edging on that? That's just a pretty little rectangle. And you can see the pretty detail in this one. We have the butterflies and the leaves. And then I wanted to show you this one. This is extra special because it is 3D. So you just take a piercer or something and go through the back of these. Just do that. Just really takes a couple, doesn't take long at all. And you can see the pretty 3D image, and that's the key to getting dimension on a monochromatic card. And then I'm going to, just for a little pop of color, I'm going to use my champagne rhinestones to do the finishing touch on these little flowers. So you can see they're just beautiful. Then all that's left is to just, I've played with my shapes. I picked what I wanted. You can place your black on there, and then you lay it down and you begin building. And you can move these around. Oops. Until you have a pleasing design. So you figure out your design first. I think I'm going to put this here. And you can see that you can begin to build. Until you have a pleasing pattern. And then we'll glue it all down for this gorgeous, gorgeous card. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Check back on my blog for other coordinating products that were released today and will only be available through March 31st from Stampin' Up. Have a fabulous day.